The following program is rated G. It is suitable for all audiences.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up.
Where are the shirts I ironed yesterday?
In my trunk, I think.
Some of them need darning. Do you want some rice?
No. I'm in a hurry to get back. Because we must finish the plowing the soccer field because tomorrow is Sunday. Here's the key to my trunk. You look tired and pale. What have you been doing all morning?
Nothing. But the heat gives me a headache.
Oh, I think it's really hot. Good. Why don't you try lay down and go to sleep? Choleng! I shall pass by Tia Maria's house and to tell her to come because I may not return before dark.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Hindi ko inisip na mawawala ka pa. Akala ko'y panghabang buhay na kapilingan. Lahat na yata binigay para sa'yo. Ngunit may pagkukulang pa ako. Sino na ba siya sa puso mo at kaya mong saktan ang tulad ko? Ngayong lahat-lahat ng aking pag-ibig binigay sa'yo. Sino na ba siya iniwan mo? Iniwan mong bigo ang tulad ko. May pagkukulang ba ako? Nakakahasaktan ang puso ko. Kahit dayain ang puso at isipan ko, damdamin ko'y hindi pa rin nagbabago.
Hi guys. How are you? Sorry I'm late. You have to keep this faster because tomorrow is Sunday.
Though I found it hard to believe, thought of yesterday, how sweet the love we shared. I just can't forget you, 'cause first the love never dies. Now
Ay, aman.
So, where's the paper? Inside. Yep.
Ano mo dito second.
Okay, nice problem. Mr. Pedro, I don't think your wife has any problem. I think this is just over fatigue. Maybe she's afraid of something. So what I would advise is that she gets plenty of rest for today.
Okay, Doc. And you mean to say just a rest, okay? Okay. Challenge. Please, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Pedro, thank you.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you, Doc. It's a relief. Hi, ciao.
Sa piling mo lang nadarama ang tunay na pagsinta. Pag-iyakap kita ng mahigpit, parang ako'y nasa langit. Minsan lang ako nakadama ng ganito, pag-ibig na wagas at sadyang totoo. Nananabik itong aking puso, kailangan kita ngayon at kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong minamahal. Ang tangi kong hiling ay makapiling